certifications. All right, I'm tired from talking. Thanks for listening. Good work. This is the end. All right, next stop, certification. So you got to take your exams, right? We've got a written assessment, and at the green level, it's going to be 15 questions. It's actually pretty quick. It shouldn't be too hard because you've already had a good introduction. You're going to sit for a class, I assume, and get ready to take this exam. You're given 45 minutes, multiple choice, short answer, fill in the blank. Notes, nope, no talking and no use of notes. Turn away that mobile phone. Now for your practical assessment, this is actually really fun. It's more of just a hands-on guided instruction. And you should be able to physically assess green beans. Okay, so you'll be looking at some of those defects and identifying. You'll also be looking at, I think you're going to be, let's see, green bean. Yeah, you're going to be looking at some of the defects. Cupping coffees, you're going to be tasting them, and you're going to be noticing some of the things we talked about, like acidity and cleanness and body. Okay, green coffee moisture analysis, you're going to check if it falls within the ICO requirements or not. And coffee screen size assessment, you need to be able to assess a sample of coffee and see if it actually meets those parameters, kind of like you're preparing to buy a set of, or you're buying a lot of coffee, or you've purchased a lot of coffee and you need to inspect it before you actually agree to accept that coffee. You get a total of 30 minutes for the practical assessment, and there's a total of 37 points. Now, if you, this is the end, and if you happen to use WeChat, you can scan in here. You can join a WeChat group, or you can go to SCA.training for more great content. We've got curriculum instruction for all the courses, intro to green, all the way to barista, and then we've got the PowerPoint for the foundation courses as well. So welcome to the team. Hope you enjoyed the content. Please feel free to share it. I know it could be more professional. I know it could be better, but we're just trying to get the word out and help as many people as possible get ready for their certifications, get ready for their exams, because it's a big investment and it's a lot of work. So we're excited to have you part of the process. Welcome to Specialty Coffee Association, and stay tuned for more great content. Thanks for sharing.